Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily move the Hutt DDC5 upwards or downwards using the remote. So to move the robot up, what we need to do is use our remote. Now hold this little button here, the top arrow, and if we want to move it downwards, then we simply hold or click the downward arrow. So this is how you guys can easily manage the robot to go either upwards or downwards. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and bye.